In front of me is REALME GT3 and today I would like to show you how you can find all text correction options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on System and Updates, Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and finally Gboard. Then click on Text Correction and operate all of those options however you wish to. If you want to access text correction options much faster in the future, click on this switcher next to Show Suggestion strip if it's not already on. Then exit Settings, launch your keyboard, and click on gear icon at the top of it to access text correction right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!